Every time you break a promise to yourself, your body notices. Welcome to day 6 of the 30-day self-trust challenge with me, Kathy Richards, registered dietitian. Today, we're going to work on breaking that all or nothing loop. Okay, so all or nothing thinking destroys self-trust because it makes every choice feel like a test. Trust kind of grows in that gray zone. So the invitation today is to choose the middle option once today. That's it. Choose the middle option once today. So what does that mean? It could mean I did some, not all or nothing. I didn't finish all the things on my to-do list, but I got some of them done. It could mean I rested briefly instead of quitting or forcing. Okay? So again, it doesn't have to be that we stop or we push through. Maybe we take a break and then we keep going. And if today felt hard, I want you to recognize that choosing the middle often feels uncomfortable. And that doesn't mean it's wrong. So if we're, type A women, really driven, really passionate, it can feel uncomfortable to get into that gray zone. I see it all the time in people that are either on a diet or off a diet, right? If we can get into that middle zone where we trust our body and we're able to listen to our body and respond to it, over time that uncomfortable feeling will go away. Okay? So just remember, if something is uncomfortable, it doesn't mean that it's wrong. Come back tomorrow for day 7.